Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from here let's scroll down to additional settings right here, then tap on storage, scroll down where you will have your SD card. Once you tap on it, you can see format SD card. Tap on it. It gives you a message that all data on this SD card will be erased. So format SD card. All data on this SD card will be erased. This operation cannot be undone. Continue. Yep. So format SD card. Now if you want to keep some data from the SD card, you might want to back it up before, otherwise it will be, well, lost permanently. But if you don't, well, then once it's finished, tap on OK and, well, you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.